welcome to my channel. If you are facing VS Code include path issue, so today we'll fix that issue. Don't worry about that. So first of all, let's go to VS Code. If you are this issue is for C++. So as you can see, after the has include header file, you can see the red underline. So if you are facing this issue, then you can't compile your file. So let fix this issue. So if you are hovering that underline, you'll get one pop up where you can there is shows a quick fix. If we go there and we'll go to edit include path setting. Here we'll go to compiler path where where we will click to this path where at the last you can see gcc.exe file. We'll check that. After you go to that file where you can see that your underline is gone. So this issue is fixed. If like again you're showing some is not fixed, then you can go to and cpp property file where in the IntelliSense mode you have to write gcc.x64. After that your problem will be fixed. So this is it. Thanks for watching this video. If you have other issue, then comment down below. I'll try to make video on that. Thank you.